excited. So since this was just a quick trip to Ollie's and Michael's looking for some Halloween things, I decided that I would just throw some clips together and try to throw it up, throw it on YouTube just to get, I don't know, a video up because I haven't done one in a while, and I think my computer's fixed, so this is me recording it as things are getting fixed, so hopefully this will be edited and up tomorrow, which would be the 13th. Ooh, perfect day. I'm recording this on the 12th, but I just thought because I showed all those clips before and they're just real, real short little clips, and also real quick while I'm thinking about it because I don't have a one-track mind. I apologize for the vertical clips at Ollie's because I completely forgot to flip my phone horizontal and film as well as vertical because I was trying to do both. I thought last minute, I was like, oh, I need to do horizontal and vertical for TikTok and Instagram for vertical and horizontal for YouTube, and it was just a lot because I didn't have this camera that I'm recording on now, so I was just trying to do a bunch at once. So I was trying to go through and record things twice, like I did at Michael's. I did go back through and record things twice, so you see, if you have me on TikTok at Hello.Sparkles, then you can already see a couple of the clips from, at least from Michael's on there. I haven't put up the Ollie's one yet. It wasn't very much at Ollie's, as you saw, but hey, that was better than nothing. It was more than I've had seen in a while. The only other things I've seen were at Joann's and now Michael's. So, it was just, I was excited. I was excited for finding Halloween/fall things, even though I guess it really wasn't Halloween there. It was more fall. So anyway, I thought, after showing all those clips, I haven't done a haul in a while, so I thought, well, this would be a perfect time to show what I did get from Ollie's and Michael's today. Not a whole lot, but it's a little bit. I thought I'd share. I hope you don't mind. I want to start with Ollie's, since that's what we saw first. And there's only a couple things from Ollie's. It's crafting and fall related, so let me start with the fall-ish stuff. So I got some Febreze. It's funny to me. Last year, I found this and I really, really liked the smell, and then my dang dogs took off with it outside. Like, I had it sitting on my craft table to spray in my room to make it smell good, because it was smelling like resin before I got my other resin, and I really liked the smell of it. Well, one of them decided that they really liked it and took off with it outside. Oh, that irritated the crap out of me. But what I want to also say about these, I struggled finding these last year, like just in store, and you were paying like This is $2.97. I want to say I was paying like $3.99 to $4.99 per bottle. Maybe I'm completely wrong, but this was $2, $1.99. Not bad, and it smells great, so I love it. That's fall related. And the next thing that's kind of technically fall related is this at American Home Yankee candle. I do these because I found out, that's my husband laughing in the background. He's talking to his brother. He's so excited. I found out, I think these don't think these say on here. No, I don't see it. So I found out that at least the Yankee candles are not soy, or at least I hope they're not soy. That's what I looked up, and they are something else. I don't know what, I cannot remember off the top of my head what they're made of. I'll probably look it up and insert it here somewhere. If not, you could do that too. I don't know. But anyway, I can't do soy candles because I have a soy allergy, and these don't seem to bother me. I do have a sensitivity to smell a lot of the time, so I can't burn them for very long. But like I said, when I looked them up, it says it's not, any Yankee candle is not made out of soy unless it specifies made out of soy, which I think they have some like soy melts in there or something that I definitely can't do. But I got this at Ollie's. I don't, oh shoot, I almost dropped it. This was $7.99 originally, 14, so $8, 14, $8 to 14, not bad. And I love the smell of apples. I like them. They resell them there because they're obviously the way they are in the jar. It's just not very pretty, but I don't care because I get a cheap candle that smells great. So there's that. And the next things are from Ollie are these shirts. They're the, how do you say them? Gildan? I can never say this right. Shirts. Just got a bunch of those. There's different colors. So I got purple, like this gray blue color, and then this green. And they were each $1.99. If you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any of that, they're usually $4, so like $3.99 and up. Just depends. These say that they were $8.99. Originally $8.99 to $1.99. I don't know if that's true or not. This is not, there you go. I don't know if that's true or not. I got 3 shirts, the candle, the spray. I want to say I got something else. Oh, I got my daughter a book. That was it. So not too bad. I thought I did a pretty good job there on a little bit of fall and then craft stuff, because I plan on trying out some, what do you call them? Shirts. I plan on trying out some shirts. I plan on making some shirts and trying them out. So we'll see how that goes. Sorry if I'm talking a mile a minute. My brain is going a mile a minute right now, so it's a lot, and I apologize. So let's move on to Michael's. I'm going to start with the only Halloween thing I got, which I'm a little shocked. I really wanted more, but none of it was in the 40% off thing yet. Obviously, it just came out. There wasn't that much on the shelf as what you saw, but I couldn't resist getting this. It's like a wreath form. Yeah, that's what it says, and it was $9.99, which it wasn't bad. And then I had a 20% off coupon off for your full purchase of full priced items, or your total purchase of full priced item, which means I only got a couple bucks off of this. I saved like $2, I think, for my whole total, which isn't bad. But look how cute. Like, I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with this yet, but I kind of have some ideas, and it's going to require me making some things. So I can't wait to make a video on this. So this is one thing. I'm quite excited about that because I just thought that was so cool. I kept seeing people haul like moon-shaped wreath forms last year, and I really wanted one, but it's like I haven't made a wreath in a while, and I didn't really want to mess with it because the last wreath I made and posted about, that flew away. It's gone. It was a spring wreath, but it's gone, and I didn't really want to mess with that again. So I'm going to have a new Halloween wreath this year, and I'm so excited, and I'm definitely planning on making that into a video once I figure out what I'm going to put on there. So I want to show this little guy. I thought it was so cool. This was in clearance for like the spring, summer stuff. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. I don't like that it looks dirty, and I guess because it's supposed to be a planter, like I think you're supposed to put like succulents in there or whatever, but I thought about it and I'm like, what if I make him a Halloween van? Like, I was thinking like where the green is, it put it orange, and this black, and just repaint it and put some little like pumpkins in there. That might be an idea for a video coming up. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. We'll see. We will. Oh, you do want it? Oh, you do? Okay. Then there will be a video. Good thing we agree. So then this is the next one. It was also in the clearance. This was like, they had like a kind of hippie 70s vibe going on this year for their summer, spring stuff area. I didn't look at it a whole lot. I did like some of the things. Oh yeah, I forgot to say how much that was. This was originally $12.99. See how I go from one thing to the next? I'm very sorry about that. This was originally $12.99. I think I got it for $3, I want to say. Yeah, I paid a little bit more than I would normally pay for it, but there wasn't a lot left, and I immediately thought of an idea for it. And if I think of an idea for something, I usually pick it up, because if it's that first, okay, I have an idea for this, I have an idea for this, and I'm like, okay, I got to get it while it's here or it's going to be gone. And that's one of those items I knew would be gone. So, moving on, back to this. They had all these 70s hippie vibe things, and I thought this was cool. This was originally $19. I want to say this was $3 too. I have no idea what happened to my receipt. I have it somewhere. Who knows where? But it's somewhere. I thought this would be good to go into my living room, as we need some more frames and some more pictures. I have to print more pictures of family and put it up. That's what I really need to do. Really simple on that. I thought it was cute. I liked the different color wood. It's pretty basic, but I liked it because it was cheap. And it was really nice. So, this is my last item, right? That's all I got. That's all I got. Well, anyway, this is our last item, and probably one of my most expensive clearance items I got from there. But it's these blocks, and they have like flowers or something on the side. I guess I could show it in the camera. It doesn't look bad. I actually kind of want to open it now that I'm here on camera. And it was originally $24.99. I think it was clearance. It was $7, 7 something, so maybe like $6 or $8. Not bad, because since it was originally $25, $30, whatever. Oh, this was spring. This was the spring from Ashland collection. Oh yeah, it does say that on there, doesn't it? This is summer. This is spring. Anyway, moving on. This should have been cheaper, I want to say. Whatever. It's not bad. I've always wanted one of these, and now I have one. But if you get what I'm fixing to say, I'm going to change it. I like the colors. I think it's cute. And yes, I'm opening it. I hope it's not too loud. Sorry if it is. I do think it's cute. Now I get to touch it. I get to touch it. I do think it's cute, but I kind of want to spookify it. I think it'd be cute, and I can make it into a countdown instead of technically a calendar, which I've always wanted a countdown. And it's got all the numbers. But obviously it'd be a countdown where there's only 2 digits to Halloween. Or fall. Whichever I wanted. Anyway, so there's those options. This is like almost the same color as my hair. I was like, oh yeah, what do you think of my hair? I'm going way off topic here. This video is going in a whole new direction. And then, oh, see, I thought it had like a little shelf. It does not. They just sit on top of each other, and it's just like a little caddy. Man, I could have freaking made that. Probably not for $7 right now, because wood is expensive. And I just talked really fast, so let me slow it down for you. Means that this was cheaper than I probably could have made it, because wood is expensive right now. Is that better? Mouth? Brain? Can we come together right now? Flowers aren't bad. They are pretty cute. Normally this is kind of my aesthetics, but right now it's not my aesthetics. Kind of going towards a different feeling. I really don't know what that is, but it's a little bit of everything. I think this is paper. Yeah, it's like bubbled up. What in the world? Like, contact paper. Well, so this will be a video for the future. Yeah, because this is like, even the painting, okay, so for what you would have originally paid for this, this is not the quality you think you would be getting. Like, look at that, like all the paint's off and it's just not that good. I mean, maybe they were going for handmade feel, because this is definitely handmade feel, not mass-produced feel. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what they're doing, because it's like they sanded the edges of the box. It just doesn't look that good to me. Now, the more I look at it, and I'm like, it's probably not going to look much better than what I've got in my brain, but I hope it looks better than this now that I'm looking at it. And I'm definitely glad I did not pay $25 for this. So, like look at that. Look at that. Look at that paint. Maybe I'm being picky. That's a high possibility there. Whatever. Like, there's even staining in the bottom of this. Like, they're like, oh, I get paint on my hands. Why am I complaining about this when I bought it? I don't know. I don't know. This will be a video. Maybe. We'll see. Who knows? Okay, yes, it's gonna happen. Oh, I don't know why I did it April 11th, but I did. I wonder what happened on April 11th. That's it. That's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my show. I hope you enjoyed me being way more myself than I have been in a long time. I am very everywhere. I'm trying my hardest not to appear like, hi guys, so today, and just super fake. Like, that voice meant nothing. What it meant was, I'm not being fake. Why is it not? Focus on me. Focus. Focus. Okay, it's whatever. Anyway, I'm me. This is me. Yes, like the showman, the greatest showman. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. My little bit of a shop with me. My haul. It's not very much, but I haven't done a haul in a while. Like I said, I think I've already covered all this. I hope you enjoy me being more me and trying to be, I don't know, spontaneous. And this is what's happening. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.